Oh, that wait, I'm coming. Oh, what? Who they call me, sir? Hello? Hey, bros, good. Bros, good evening. How's everything now? Wait there. Wait, mommy. I also not dey okay now, be. Yeah. Well, now they hear you now they talk. Yes. Yeah, I know. Now we could. Now the same time we take on yes. Me and Manuel, yes. Now the same time we take on that time. And now Augustine, yes, now Italy Augustine too. No. Bros. I beg. See, I don't tell you that they say all this kind of word. I don't like them. Maybe I know they tell me all this kind of word. What is it now? What did they happen? Why not go do you? See, I don't like them, bro. Now because you be my elder brother, that make me to tell you so. If another person they tell me this kind, I don't like them. What I will do, I don't go believe. What did they happen? Now I don't tell you I say. Even mommy if I come that they tell me this thing. I don't know. Say make we not come in. They tell me see what person don't do. Manuel don't do the house finish. Augustine don't open your house. God's time don't carry car come for his senior brother. What it concern me? Now they are not be their Europe they come. Now what people just do now they already call me. They tell me why not they call me for another thing. You when you don't call me say my younger brother how far that side be now how your paper how you take the work for your paper how work how this you don't ask me this kind of thing one day since when I call you don't ever ask me how I dey feel what about my paper my document my every when you don't ask me anytime when you come in and they tell me say man they don't build that finish Augustine don roof you Samuel don open your house the other one don bring car come for his senior brother the Samuel wey say bring car come for his senior brother na me and Samuel enter road the same day when they hold us that time for Samba na his senior brother bring 300,000 come for am when I call you wetin you tell me you no tell me say you no send me Europe say you no send me Europe anything when I see for road make I bear am say you no send me Europe o whether me see say you go Europe whether Europe no dey hungry you no be wetin you tell me una abandon me now so I manage myself manage my life try all my possible best to make sure say I enter Europe now come dey call me dey disturb me say Augustine don build that house man don open you abeg make una no dey put pressure for my body all those heart attack wey una no dey tell me anybody wey do house make una leave am na your house you build when the time reach for me to build my house I will build my house una think say Europe easy wetin dey happen na so success first call me that day dey tell me say brother I need iPhone 11 I no blame am I need iPhone 11 me wey dey the Europe wey dey talk to you now una know wetin una don ask me which phone me dey use na Nokia dey talk una so Nokia dey talk to una for una mind na say I dey Europe now na iPhone 100 I dey use Nokia na dey talk to you now when last you don see me online you don ever see I dey online for good 2 years now you don see me online na Nokia dey use una no know how dey live Europe no be see make I tell you that same Manuel wey dey talk say e don open house so you no dey see his senior brother you no dey see the way dey run up and down for am e dey waka for am wetin you na think say we no dey know wetin dey happen una think say person call you see make I tell you some people dey this Europe no be ordinary hand dey take dey do their things o some of them their mama dey waka for them their brother dey waka for them when you don come me tell me say you wan waka for me o how far wetin you need make I help you see fine pastor may I go meet pastor or may I go meet anybody when you don come me tell me say okay wetin my problem make you waka for me you don call me one day tell me all those kind thing the only thing una dey call me man dey don bring car come for his senior brother the other one don roof house if the time reach I go roof my house abeg make una no dey use that all those kind talk dey disturb me una hear because we wey dey this Europe now we know how we dey survive Everybody know how we take dey survive for here. You understand? So those people want to say that they do something. So if they tell you say the way their papa, their mama, their brothers take dey support them, take dey waka for them, take dey play for them, take dey go church, go anywhere they fit go for them, una no go believe. You no go fit waka for person. If you come and tell me say you wan waka for me, say like this, then they forbid. Now come and tell me say man don open house. Who open house make e enter na? They no fit open house before. Na today they start to dey open house. Abeg make I no dey put all those pressure for my body o. Make I no come give me heart attack for Europe o. Abeg when the time reach, if I get my money, I build my house. Now hear me so. Abeg make I no dey disturb me. Abeg. Na so my mama fit call me that day dey tell me say that land when I buy now, when I will come do something for inside now. No, now Sasa want to do something for inside. Even the time when small money dey with me when I say I want to do something for that land, wetin una tell me? She even tell me say make I just ready. If I want to do one, I go put parapet. I go put that sick when dey rain now. With that, if you see Manuel, it be like paradise. Now when no get the money, now come help me the plan. Now I come the plan wetin I want to do. Now me dey suffer. Now me know how my pocket be. If na two room I say make you do, use old zinc when my papa fit roof am. Now no be my own. Na by force. They born me make I go to do competition with people. Everybody get your different destiny now. And maybe I don't do that house with that thing. Maybe to see na 2 room myself you do now. Do anyhow I want to do one. It's up don't there. Now call the plan for me. They say just perfect will just day. All those do when you new the rain now will just day. This one will just day. Guy, how far? What did happen? Someone hear the parrot this morning. What did happen? I'll say you will do okay. Nothing, my brother. Now, no be family issue. They will just call me, just they disturb me. They talk different talk. I don't tire.
So family view. Don't let us rest.
That's why they disturbing my brother. Okay, my senior brother just call no. They tell me say man, one of my guy when I call that time, they call a man. He don't roof his house finish. The other one, he don't open his house last 2 weeks. The other one don't carry car come for his senior brother this December. Say okay, waiting me cause they wait for the that. Now buy okay, not be me and you there. You don't know how the street be. You only use people matter till the disturb person. Okay, how waiting they won't make make I carry motor. Even if I go get the money itself, I know if you carry motor go get that my senior brother so. My senior brother will be say I did about that time when they hold us. Sharply they bring money come for that my guy won't get that day there now. Now my brother beg money. He say he no get money. He say no send me Libya. He don't send me Europe. Whether me say he go Europe, whether he don't like Europe, say no send me Europe. Now I suffer myself corner. Now that guy come in, man will don't build house, man will don't open. August don't do this one. I just tired my brother. That's why they disturb me. You don't come in now. You don't spend 5 years you never do anything you. And so the girl waiting near my house, they carry car, go give me papa. They don't let me rest again. Now that they say, now get me that one. Now I all those one they do, this one they seem to give them money. I said they disturb me, my brother, don't be like, okay, they still they disturb yourself. My brother, all this one don't be even I not even think me as me. It was even know that nobody have not even pick self because now just all those talk then they talk. What did they happen? I bet they don't they call me again. No, and so me I go look with Japan for fire. My brother they come. Hi guys, thank you for watching that funny comedy. Please don't forget to subscribe to MC Soup, not the rain. Please follow me on Instagram as MC Soup. Please. This video is very important. Please, this is not just a comedy. This is an advice to everybody, everyone that are in Europe. Please, do not allow your family, your friend, anybody to put pleasure on you. Please, don't look people. Stop competition. Leave everything for God. When the time reach, you will do your own. They say who build a house now build the old one, because you will build tomorrow. Now you will build the finest one. Please don't let person to put you on that pleasure. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, my YouTube page, MC GB Nice. Please, MC Soup Not the Rain is my YouTube channel. Please, we need your support, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, share to your family, your people. A lot of people need this advice. Please don't forget to subscribe. Daniela, come and tell them, please. Please. Daniela, say please. Subscribe. Please. Daniela, say please. Please, guys, we are begging. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please.